Hi, if you are the owner of any PMI certification, so after a cycle of 3 years, you need to earn the PDU, Professional Development Units, in order to renew for the certification. For example, we have the PMP certification. After 3 years, you need to accumulate 60 PDU in order to perform the action to renew for the certification. So today in this video, I will guide you how to earn the PDU for the certification. Let's get started. This is the status of my PMP certification. For now, I already have 20 PDUs and I need to earn more 40 PDU in order to perform the action for renewal. So you can access into the website pmi.org website by hover on the certification menu on the top and then click on maintain your certification. The system will navigate you to this web page and you scroll it down to the section what are the PDU. So here the PDU means this is the block of hours you have to spend for learning, teaching other, or even do any action in the volunteering. Yeah. You can also see the requirement of the PDU. Yeah. The renews the certification. Okay, so now let's focus on the way how to earn the PDUs. The first option, you can hover to the learning and event on the top menu and then click on the webinar option. The system will direct you to another web page. You can click on the view all webinars and then it will open up a new website, projectmanagement.com. And here, this lead down all of the webinar section. It will be fixed on the requirement to earn the PDU for the certification. You see here, we have a lot of the webinar and you take a look into the left-hand side and you see some categories in the PMI certification. So now, for example, I want to earn the PDU for my PMP certification. I go ahead to click on the PMP/PGMP option here. And after that, the result here will be filtered to read out all of the webinar for PMP and PGMP certification. You can scroll it down below and see some other filter. If you are already PMI membership, so you can see some the webinar of the premium option and filter the language in English and then go ahead to click on any topic here. For example, this one, generates AI. Yeah. So here you scroll it down and you can see the duration of this topic. And the next one is a PDU you can earn after you finish learning this topic. If we spend the time to learn 1 hour for any topic, so that you will be earn 1 PDU accordingly. Yeah. So here, just go ahead to click on play button and then watching the video until this one is finished. You should wait for around 3 or 5 working days in order to claim the PDU for the certification. You can close this one. And the next thing, you should select another course for learning. You should continue learning until you get all of the sufficient PDU for the certification. This is the first option. And the second option, you can spend the time to study or learning on any learning management system on the internet. For example, I go to the udemy.com and then I will enter the search keyword in PDU Renew PMP on top here in the search bar. And then the system will display all of the results. Here, we have some costs need to be paid the money. And we also have some costs in free. For example, you see here, the top one is after you finish this course, you can earn 60 PDU. That means you just spend money to buy this course, and after that, you finish this course, you can earn sufficient PDU to review your PMP certification. You can even buy another course. Here, for the second course, you can earn 24 PDU. The third course is 18 PDU for the review PMP. Yeah, you can find another course. You can even filter only display the free course. So with the first option, you're learning on projectmanagement.com website. So the system will help you automatically claim the PDU for the account. However, if you're learning on other systems like the Udemy, after you finish learning, you have to perform the action to claim the PDU. Assuming I already finished the learning for this course, and then the trainer will provide the information for me on how to claim the PDU. I need to go to my PMI account. Here, come back to my PMI account and then report the PDU. The system will navigate me to the ccrs.pmi.com website /claim. And here on this report the PDU, I need to select some option here for the education on the left-hand side, the viewing back on the right-hand side. Yeah, because I have not finished the learning on the Udemy, so that I will select the option on the left-hand side, education, and just select the course or training. You have to enter the information into the training course here, the provider. You can find the information based on the information from trainer, provider here, the course name here. You can enter some description for the training course. However, this one is optional. You can let it blank. And the date started and date completed. You have to make sure that the date started and date completed. It should be after the time you own the PMI certification. For example, you certified for the PMP by 1st of November in 2023. However, if you start learning and finish this training course before 1st of November, so you can't claim. However, after you finish this course after 1st of November, so you can claim this one. Okay, and scroll it down. You have to enter some of the information here based on the information provided by the trainer for the PMP. For example, I have the 10 PDU for way of working, and power skill is 6. Business acumen is 6 as well. So that's the system will automatically calculate how many PDU you can claim for this course. And the last step, you click on the I agree button here to confirm that all of the information you are going to claim is accurate. And the last action, click on submit button to submit the request for claim the PDU for the account. And after you submit this one, the system will send an email to you. Here you go to the gmail.com. For example, like this one, I have just submit my claim to the PMI, and then I need to wait some time for the PMI to review my claim and accept. I have to wait until 5 working days for the PMI to review and issue it for my account. Okay, so that's all action you need to perform and earn the PDU. The last but not least, it's very important. You no need to purchase for the PMI membership in order to earn the PDU. However, if you already earn sufficient PDU for the certification, you should The first step, purchase for the PMI membership. And second step, purchase the money to renew your certification. If you do like that, you will save some money for the renewal process for the certification. Okay, that's all. And I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Thank you and see you guys in the next video.